Scatter is an organization here on campus. It stands for SunCoast Area Teacher Training and Educational Research, and we provide service opportunities and workshops where students learn more about the educational field beyond their regular coursework. My favorite thing about Scatter is having the opportunity to interact with other Scatter members, networking with USF alumni who have also been in the Scatter program. Some work for the county, work as principals, so it's great for when we graduate, we already have that connection with people who are already in the educational field.
So when I first was introduced, I was like, what is this? And then I realized it's more of like a community, and it helps build professional development, and it really helps with networking, and there's just a lot of really fun things to do.
Joining Scatter shows that you're willing to go above and beyond to be a greater and better teacher than you would have been without going to Scatter. Through it, you can go different workshops, and you can learn all sorts of different things from people who are way smarter than me. And then you can meet people, and you can get all sorts of resources, and you'll be a better teacher than you would have been without it.
My favorite part about Scatter is the people I've gotten to know, and they're just really loving people that have helped me come out of my shell.